Most people know IKEA for its furniture, but in China, it became famous for something completely different. The food. Some people even come here just to eat. So today, we're exploring what food at IKEA in China is really like. IKEA first entered China in 1998, bringing a completely different shopping experience to a new generation of Chinese consumers. For years, it became more than just a furniture store. People came here for room inspiration, cheap meals, dates, photos, and even weekend hangouts. At its peak, IKEA was everywhere in China's biggest cities. But in recent years, things have changed. With rising competition from local brands and online shopping, IKEA has slowly started fading from the spotlight. Some stores have already closed, and in cities like Guangzhou, only one IKEA location remains now. Still, for many people in China, IKEA is more than just a store. It's a memory from a very specific era of modern China. At a time when many homes in China still focused mainly on practicality, IKEA introduced something new: modern design, cozy living spaces, and the idea that furniture could improve everyday life. For many people, this was their first time seeing fully designed model rooms, small space storage solutions, and homes built around comfort instead of just function. But IKEA wasn't only about furniture. Back then, Western food was still relatively uncommon in many Chinese cities. And for a lot of people, IKEA became their first introduction to things like Swedish meatballs, hot dogs, cream soups, and desserts.
只需99.99元，马达仍带有拥有15年品质保证，30厘米的传菜锅，现在只需99.99元。
For students, young couples, and families, IKEA slowly became more than a store. It became a place to spend an entire afternoon.
IKEA Business provides one-stop service like bulk purchasing for you. For more details,
Come on, Let's check out what's good to eat. First, there's a cafe located separately outside the restaurant.
那边还有小体力的。
给我来一个黑椒牛肉饭吧。
来，吃点什么汉椒？
谢谢。
你好，先生，請問有 pen 牌嗎？知冇？
好。
唔使寫啊！你睇個資金啦。
All this cost a total of $27. Not cheap at all. First, the soda has strong carbonation and tastes good. The veggie burger uses soy-based products instead of meat. It's got a nice texture, but the taste is just okay. The steak is cooked perfectly, not dry or tough, with a pleasant chew and just the right seasoning. The pasta is cooked just right, nice and springy, and the sauce is flavorful without being heavy. These signature Swedish meatballs taste just okay, kind of starchy and heavy on the filler. Black pepper beef rice. This is the only Chinese item left here. Back when IKEA was at its peak, the food variety was way bigger. They had several Chinese dishes too, but now they're mostly gone. The salmon is tender with evenly distributed fat. You can tell the ingredients are really fresh. We Chinese aren't big on super sweet desserts, but this tiramisu is a winner. It's smooth, just sweet enough, and the flavor is wonderfully rich. The cinnamon roll, coated in a glistening syrup, is both dainty and adorable. However, the texture isn't great, a bit hard and dry. I need to drink some water. At the exit, The 1 yuan ice cream cone was once a classic case study in marketing textbooks. It used extreme value for money to draw customers into a complete shopping journey, becoming the sweet anchor point for brand memory. And that might be IKEA's most enduring product. Not a shelf or a meatball, but a shared memory. A place that quietly holds a piece of who we were and who we've become.